Why Loud Security Systems? I think, number one, it's an Atlanta local company here. We're based out of Cobb County, have been here for 17 years serving folks. We provide a lot more services than just the alarm system, even though that's the core of who and what we're all about. But we're a technology company, so we can do so much more for your in-home services and products and care. But when it really comes down to it is the care and involvement of the community. From the give back of the associations that we have, whether it's the local business associations, the Georgia Association Chiefs of Police involvement, the State Alarm Association, we're a company that is beyond our walls to give and communicate and be involved. We're all about building the relationship with that subscriber from day one all the way through, and so that they have the reassurance to know that if there's ever an issue, that my cell number is on our website under customer care. That number is there because not that I want to hide or hinder. If there's a concern or something going on, we're there ready. The people are ready to answer that phone live 24 hours a day. These are Loud security people. It's not an answering service. It's our central station or it's our front desk personnel. It's us. We're here for you 24 hours a day. And if for some reason that does not work, my cell number's there 24 hours a day for you.